your girl, Braylon Kiriana. Today is Wednesday, January 7th. I don't have much planned today, y'all, but if you do know, I start school in 5 days, which is super close, and it's really pissing me off, I'm not gonna lie. Like, I am excited to go back to school, but like, I get into that like later into the vlog, like explaining what I mean by this. Like, I want to have a little sit down with y'all. This is a reset video, as you'll see. We'll just be doing stuff like up towards school. Like, I get a new coat in the mail probably today, so I'll show y'all that. I want to clean my boots off. I want to like get me some school supplies. I want to get me like a new water bottle. I want to get me what else did I say I want to get? Oh, I want to clean my tool bag out, like stuff like this. So today I'll probably just be cleaning my tool bag out and probably like wiping down my boots or something. Just getting my stuff organized with y'all. And then tomorrow morning we'll be doing more of the stuff that I just told y'all. Because I do work tomorrow, but I work like later in the evening. So we'll have a little time to get a few things done. So just stay tuned for that. And it is currently like 11 something, but I don't feel like getting out the bed yet. So I'm not getting up yet. My bad. My package is here. Oh, get in the house. Come back here, Milo. You know what? We can stay out here actually for a second. He's a good dog. He's not bad, so let me not yell at him. He's a sweetheart. But he don't have his leash on. That's why I screamed at him like that. Because you're not supposed to have your dog with no leash. Like, come on now. But I guess he got to use the bathroom. But we're about to get ready to do an unboxing on my jacket for school. My mama bought me. It's a Carhartt jacket. I like the colors and stuff. The package, y'all. I got this for mom. She bought this for me for Christmas, but it came late. So. This is for welding school. Move, my love. I needed this for school, y'all. Like, I be cold. I have to get my teacher jacket because I be so cold. And I be burning myself. Like, when we doing, like, overhead, the fire, like, falls into your shirt. I burnt my titties before, like, bro, multiple times. But it's cute. I'm going to try it on for y'all in a minute. This is how the jacket looks on me. Ugh. Honestly, though, it's starting to get hot outside. Like, hopefully I still need it. Mind you, we in January, bro. It's 66 degrees today. Hot as fuck. It is currently 1:57 p.m., y'all. I just cleaned my whole entire room up. It's tea, if you can see. But I'm about to get ready and go outside and get my tool bag and my boots, and I'm gonna bring it in the house, put a towel on my bed, and then we're gonna start cleaning that stuff out and just getting all the stuff we don't need up in there out, and like organizing, put my books and stuff in my backpack and all that type of stuff. Okay, so we're gonna put this towel down because I don't want to get my bed dirty, but these are my 2 books that I'm needing. I'm gonna need for school. This is the blueprint book, so it looks so intimidating. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm scared, but I'm smart. I know I get it. This is a Scantron that I'm gonna keep because we be needing these to take our tests. Ugh. And I got this notebook that I never used. Yeah, I didn't even take this to my first day of school, and my sister wrote this in my thing. Have a good first day. I didn't never even see this. It's my first time seeing it. Crazy. This is my shield. My thing is in the car, so ignore it. Pack of soapstone. Now, the soapstone is just for writing, like writing on the welding material. It's like chalk, basically. So I don't even need this whole entire thing. I probably only need this, not even this. Literally, we'll probably need like 5 of these for the whole semester. I don't know why we had to get this for our school supplies for school in the beginning of the semester. Don't know why, because we didn't really use it like that. But I'm gonna put all of this in my backpack. So I don't need this. I was gonna get some school supplies, but I don't even need this, so I don't need nothing else. Like, I got pencils and stuff, so we don't need school supplies for real. I'm gonna put this inch right in here. My pen. Oh, yeah, I definitely don't need supplies. Yellow pens and pencils and markers and stuff. Well, not pencils, but is that it? Make sure. Oh, a pencil and another Scantron. Yeah, I don't need shit. I don't need no supplies, babes. I got it. I already got it. Put this in here. I'm gonna put the soapstone back in here, I guess. This is the part that's annoying. The tool bag. These are just blueprints that came out of that book I showed y'all. So I'm gonna put these back in here. Glasses that I never use. Keeping those. Me? It's hot. I bet. My gloves. Y'all look. Oh. Is it anymore? This is from a burn, of course. But I'm still keeping these though. Unless I get some new ones. Oh, another Scantron. I don't have to buy no Scantrons the rest of the semester. 3, that's cool. We don't even got that many tests. Another pair of gloves. But look. Another hole. These just beat up bad. Oh, I'm gonna throw these away. Yeah, this one good though. But yeah, I'm throwing these away. Dang, I love these. Should I throw them away? Yeah, the top of the finger part opening up. So that's trash. Okay, so all this paper that I'm getting out is just like trash. Honestly, I feel like I need this for my helmet, but I'm not keeping this shit. I'll figure it out. It's going in the garbage. Just paper, gum paper, like. Look at this. pack of Soapstone. That's barely been used. Probably not even used. More gloves. I'm keeping these. Nothing is wrong. I barely use these. Can I even fit these? Oh yeah, these lit. Cool. Broke. Keeping. Keeping. Somebody made these in class, y'all, and they was like, they gave them to me talking about use them as brass knuckles. What the fuck? I'm keeping them. These are tape measure. Ugh. I'm finna throw this away. It's a metal speed square. I'm not, It's a magnet. I think it's sticking to everything and it's just got stuff all over it. These are shields for my, shield lens for my helmet. Keep it. This brush never been used. Probably should have used it. More pencils that I need. So I'm gonna keep these. And they are Dr. Seuss pencils. I got these from Dollar Tree. This thing that I never used, maybe I'll use it second semester. I don't even know the name of it, but I'm gonna keep it. Flint strikers, never used, keep it. Tip cleaner. This is for the start fires. Oh, okay, let me stop. But yeah, keeping. Ugh, these shields look nasty. Everything else is getting thrown away up in this bag. It's like trash. Earbuds, bond paper, stuff like that. I'm gonna just go dump this stuff. What's this? What it is. Okay, I dumped it and it looks very good in the inside. It's a little burnt in the inside, but girl, we're finna still use it, period. Put all these back. So if you want to know what I'm gonna look like going to school, this plus my water bottle and my helmet. It'll be in my bag or my hand. Looking stupid carrying all this shit. I'm about to go put this stuff in my trunk. Oh shit. I should have vacuumed my trunk out. It looks dusty. It's dusty, but it's organized. Okay. Last thing I need to do is wipe off my boots. Here they go. Look at them. If you look close, see burnt marks and just like dirt, dust. I don't know. Here's the boots. I got this white tie because I want to see how much dirt gonna be on it, but hopefully it cleaned pretty decent. And I'm gonna throw this towel away when I'm done. I need a Brillo pad for these. Oh, it's already dirty. Look. Most of this stuff probably not gonna come off because it's like fire. This, yeah, most of it is like burn spots, so it's like not a lot of dirt. Alright, that's it. Oh, they look wet now. But I don't like that they look like that. I hate that. What is that? Is that dirt? Or it's just from me burning them? Or I don't know. But here's the after, y'all. Ew, I'm throwing this away. It is currently like, ooh, I was gonna say 1:48, but it's like 4:48. I'm about to get ready to give me some food and some wine. And then when I get back, I'm gonna do my, or should I do this before I leave? I wanna do like a, my teeth whitening routine. I could show y'all. And I know this is a video, like a reset before school type of thing. So teeth whitening should be included in it too, right? But this is my teeth right now. They not bad, but it's time for a whitening. Maybe I'll wait till later tonight to do my whitening routine and then I'll show y'all that. But as of right now, I'm trying to see if it's like too early to go get some food right now. Or should I just go and go get my stuff? I think it's kind of too early. Like, I don't want to eat this early. I don't even know what I want to eat. So let me think about that. And then we're going to go get that. I was going to just strictly make this a vlog about school resetting, but we're just going to do like a regular vlog. But overall, this is a school reset vlog. So, yeah. And also, one more thing that I never thought about doing was washing my headscarves and like my beanies and stuff. I'm finna go put some of them in the washer and then I'm gonna show y'all how they look later. And I say this because I wear like headscarves and hats and stuff to school. Because I don't want to be messing my hair up and just, because I'm sweating all day, getting burned all day. Like, oh, like I don't be in there trying to look cute for nobody, y'all. So I just be wrapping my hair up, just looking crazy. Like a little boy. I think I want to do like Panera bread and get me like some soup. Because like I said, y'all know I'm still kind of weak from doing the withdrawals and stuff. So I think I want like some soup and I don't know about a sandwich. I ate a sandwich this morning, so I don't think I want another one. But I might get like a grilled cheese to go with my soup. Now granted, I have had Panera before, but I know that they stuff is like, damn, seasonless. There's no seasoning be on it. So when I get home, I'm gonna like re-season my food.
Make me expose you, bitch. I'm too busy. If we are, we'll take we're taking this a little too. Hey, Bill! This was not here yesterday. What the fuck? Carried away. Come right now. You know where I stand. I just wanna say you're mine. What you heard, you're mine. That you can hold down, but I can't give you head. I'm too ill for that. I'ma make a movie, still kill Bill. That rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he plays, I'm a boss bitch. That macaroni cheese and grill my swordfish. Bitch. Get hot. Chill out at the King, New York, nigga pop. If they actually got bars, they can rock. But in a matter of the mind, rich bitch sauce. Rich bitch cool, I got a rich bitch cough. Rich I'm a book. Ask Lil Wayne, who the fast guy bitch.
So I just got to Panera, right? And they got curbside on their app, but I don't see any curbside like parking. So I think I'm gonna have to go inside. And I don't even want to go inside. Like, look at me, bro. I'm cute, but bro, come on now. Okay, we can come on. Okay, so I got my food, y'all. Oh, what the fucky? Grilled cheese wrapped in this. Oh, this little ass soup. What the fuck? Why that shit so little? Bro, this was $5 and it's this small. Hopefully it just look like this, because I'm gonna go put it in a bowl at home. So yeah, we're gonna hope it just look like this. I mean, it's filled to the top, but still, bro. This is broccoli cheddar soup. And I got cheese toast. And I'm supposed to give me a bottle of wine. I don't know if I want to give me a bottle of wine or a beatbox. We're gonna see. I think I'm gonna go with the beatbox, y'all. I haven't had one in so long, so we're gonna try it out. And my favorite one is the green apple, so go try it. All right, y'all, we finna go in this gas station, get this beatbox, and I might grab me like a bag of chips, some candy or something. I don't know. What is that? What chips do I want? Okay, so I got my snackies. Now I'm about to head back home, y'all. And I'm trying to decide how I want to do this because y'all know I said I want to do my teeth whitening thing. I want to cook my food and I want to eat my food. So should I like do the teeth whitening tomorrow, like in the morning, since I'm going home and drinking and eating? Yeah, I'm gonna just wait to do the process in the morning when I wake up, cause the big box is green. The chips is extra hot, like no. Then I got broccoli cheddar soup and cheese toast, like heavy on the cheese toast. I don't want cheese all in my teeth when I just did all that. No, so we gon', and then I'm gonna be too drunk to do it like after I finish eating. I'm being damn near fell asleep. So no, we gonna just do it tomorrow in the morning. I see a big difference. Look. I'm looking at my mirror. Hey y'all, today is January 8th. It's Thursday. It's currently like 10:47. I just looked at my thing. Y'all look at my seat. Yes, I love some Colgate. That gets the job done. But I'm about to go to the thrift store. I'm trying to see, do I want to get the water bottle first? I need to get me a water bottle for school as well. Then I want to go to the thrift store so I can see if I can find me some more jeans for school. And then I'll probably get some food. I do work today, so I can't be out too long. Was it one more thing I said I wanted to do? I forgot. But we'll see, y'all. Just stay tuned. I just called Crazy Lou, y'all. And why is it crawfish season? Y'all know my favorite food is crawfish. Well, if you didn't know, you know now. I love me some crawfish. It's one of my favorite foods. I say my top 10. It's in my top 10. I love me some crawfish, y'all. So I'm not gonna be out too long because I want to get me some crawfish. And I might go dine in. So we gonna see. I'm gonna go ahead and stop at Dollar General and get some toothpicks. And what else I need? A water bottle. Man, Family Dollar. That's what I meant. Do they got toothpicks over here? Which ones do I want? I'm gonna go with these. I don't know how I feel about these. I'm gonna go with these right here. I'm gonna get this one in the back. That purple. This is what I'm gonna get, y'all. Smart. Hopefully I don't overspend when I go in the thrift store, because I just love the thrift store, y'all. Like, it's my happy place. I ain't gonna lie. It's one of my happy places. I'm just going here to get like 3 pair of pants, maybe 4 if I see something that I really like. But y'all know I am shopping for my bedroom, like my bedroom makeover still. So if I see something, I might have to get it. I ain't gonna lie. But I ain't trying to be out too long, so we're gonna make it quick. Yeah, I already picked up something that I wasn't supposed to. I'm gonna try these on. Maybe these. They look kind of big though. Look at these. But they look kind of big in the waist. These are cute. They just got dirt on the bottom. I'm gonna wash them though. Let's see about these. These are tee. I'm going for like the longer pants. This little bag is cute, right? Okay, I'm gonna go with the black and the long ones. This picture and that purse. Okay, so it is currently 11:30. Y'all, just came out of the thrift store. I found some good stuff up in there. As soon as I got up in there, I ended up seeing a picture frame that I wanted for my room. It's like the items be like speaking to me, like they be saying like, pick me, Braylon, pick me, and I just have to get it. So I got that, and then I got this little white purse as well. And I got 2 pair of jeans for school. So yeah, we finna go give me some food now. And I only spent $23, so that's tea. You know, I'm not gonna dine in, y'all. I'm just gonna get my food. I might eat like in the parking lot or something. And then I'm gonna do a little sit down with y'all and tell y'all why I don't feel like finishing the 2nd semester of school. It look like it's gonna rain too. Hey, I'm good. And I had a pickup for BB. And can I add on the fountain drink?
Yeah. What kind?
Sweet tea.
27.22.
I got 2 pounds of crawfish. Cajun Crazy Fire is the flavor. And then I got a sweet tea on the side. And in the crawfish, it comes with onions inside. Thank you. And I got lemons to go with. I only got 1 thing of lemons because when I get 2, I don't ever finish it. So. And 2 lemons come in 1 cup, so you don't really need a lot. And I be forgetting to eat them sometimes, so I be forgetting to use the lemons. They sweet tea, 10 out of 10. I haven't been here in a little while.
Hey, give me 2 more minutes, please.
Honestly, y'all, my body feel weak. Like my system just feels weak. Like, you know how you be sick and then you get over a sickness and your body is weak? That's how I feel. My stomach and my body just feel like I'm kind of weak. I haven't been in the gym, so I need to get in the gym. I really do need to get in the gym for school because we be having to pick up heavy stuff, pipes and all type of stuff. So I gotta get some muscles back. I gotta get the muscles back on me, I ain't gonna lie. But from the looks of it, I'm about to be weak as fuck going back to school. Which is cool. Because they usually just pick up stuff for me anyways, but I be wanting to do, you know, do something.
Oh, you want lemon?
Yes. Ooh. Ooh. Thank you. He gave me 2. Even though I'm an extra 1. Period, y'all. It's literally busting out the bag. I should have got another bag. Let me see. Can I get 2 bags? Thank you. Okay. Got 2 bags. I'm trying to decide, do I want to eat in my car? Because I just cleaned my car out a little while ago. I'm finna still eat it here. I don't give a damn. It's finna rain, look like it. Oh, y'all saw how it just popped open? But this is the crappie. This is 2 pounds, y'all. It's like a lot. Oh my god, it's so much. This is a lot, and this costs $23. And I added on a drink at the window, so that was probably like 20. I don't know, y'all. I forgot. Let me see. Where's the receipt? In my purse. $27 in all is what I spent on this. And it was worth it. Oh my god, y'all. Oh my god. But anyways, like the school situation, honestly, I don't want to go finish second semester because I'm tired of being around boys all day. Like, they are genuinely annoying as fuck, y'all. I swear to God, bro. Boys just irritate me. And then I say boys because they are literally boys. Like, they're not grown men. Like, they're like ages 18, 19, 20, 21, maybe 22, 23. That's it. And they conversations, like if you sit around men all day and just hear their conversations, it's just annoying as fuck. And I done been around them for months now, and it's every day out of the week. Monday through Thursday, I'm around men and boys all day, and it's just annoying as hell, y'all. That's all. It's like no off day type of thing. Like, I'm just around them just non-stop for hours out of the day. It ain't nothing but like 3 girls in the class, and they don't talk to me like that. I don't talk to them like that, the girls. So shit. It's just how it is, y'all. And then I gotta be with them for another 4 months. I gotta be around these dudes for another 4 months. Shit crazy. I'm been lost my damn mind. Hey, cool, though. I'm just tired of seeing them. I ain't gonna lie. My birthday coming up. I'm gonna go home. I'm probably not gonna eat all of them. Them onions. Bye. I love me some crawfish. It's their season. Ooh. Y'all. The food was a 10 out of 10. I probably only ate like 1 pound of it. I got 2 pounds. I probably only ate like 1 pound. I'm gonna save the rest for when I get out of work tonight. So I'm about to go back home. Probably clean my room up before I go to work. Chill my dog, play with him for a little while, and yeah.